Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go! Calculus problems like this integral look intimidating, but we can solve them in 3 quick steps by breaking the region into smaller, much more manageable pieces. We split the integral from 0 to 3 into 2 parts, from 0 to 1 and from 1 to 3. This helps us isolate the known area for our calculation. The second part is the negative of the area, which is negative 32. We calculate the first part by integrating the polynomial from 0 to 1, which equals 5. Finally, we add the first part, 5, to the second part, negative 32. This gives us the total value of the definite integral, which is negative 27. You're done. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't drop the area sign or mess up bounds. Use additivity and check your signs.